Hi, I'm Erin Bourget, and I'm the advisor for the National Honor Society at Hill Murray. This is my fourth year here and my second year doing NHS. The National Honor Society is an organization that is based in four pillars, which is leadership, service, character, and scholarship or academics. So we focus on leadership. We have some speakers that come and talk to students about what it means to be a leader in today's world. We also have a requirement for scholarship. They have to maintain a 3.5 GPA or higher. Our students are also required to do service. We have many service opportunities that are done through NHS, but we also require that our students have 30 hours or 15 experiences of service since their freshman year in order to join. And then lastly is based on character. And so our students are people of good upstanding character and leaders within their community. And so in order to apply for NHS, students do that midway through their junior year, usually towards the end of first semester. And then we have our student executive board that's nominated, and that's mostly going to be for seniors. And so juniors and seniors are leaders in the National Honor Society. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you.